How to create rules in Outlook on browser. This tutorial shows you how to automatically organize your incoming emails based on conditions you set. First, open your browser and go to Outlook.com, then log into your account. From there, click the gear icon at the top right of the screen to open Settings. After that, click Mail from the left side menu, then click Rules. At this point, click Add New Rule to start setting one up. Following this, give your rule a name so you can identify it easily if you have multiple rules set up. From here, under Add a Condition, choose what triggers the rule. For example, you can set it to apply when an email comes from a specific sender, contains certain words in the subject line, or is sent to a specific address. After that, under Add an Action, choose what you want Outlook to do when that condition is met. For example, you can have it automatically move the email to a specific folder, mark it as read, flag it, or delete it. At this stage, if you want to add more conditions or actions to the same rule, click Add Condition or Add Action to layer them on. Following this, if you want the rule to stop applying further rules after this one runs, check the Stop Processing More Rules box at the bottom. Finally, click Save, and the rule will be active immediately. Any incoming emails that match your conditions will be handled automatically from that point on. That's how you create rules in Outlook on browser. If this was useful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.